are doing today a home tour, what we call the 369. Patrice, what is that?
That's a house that's in the 300's, the 600's, and the 900,000s.
Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the alerts. We love to do what we call things that we call live, work, and play in the Dallas area. So instead of sitting there behind the keyboard and doing a typical vlog, we like to get out here with our video camera and show you what it's like to live, work, and play. All right, so today we are gonna go do the 369, and the first stop is in a city of Frisco. House is just shy of 300,000. I believe it's 289.9, and it is about 1,650 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and built in 2016. So let's go have a look.
Now we're headed to a house in Prosper. It's 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a little over 4,300 square feet, and it's 600,000. Let's go take a look.
All right, so now for the last stop of the day, we are heading to a new subdivision. It's called Edgestone. It's in the city of Frisco. This house is right around 967. It is 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 5,400 square feet. And like I said, it's around in the mid-9s. So let's go have a look. Brand new construction. I'm excited to see it. So be sure to reach out and contact us at the information below, whether it's a phone call, text, email, whatever you prefer. Just get a hold of us. We absolutely love what we do. We love helping people move and discover this great area in the hottest real estate market in the whole entire United States. So give us a call. We're here to help, and we've got your back. Thank you very much.